CamSonar FU50 portable versatile fuming kit was introduced to meet market demand. The equipment is highly integrated with multi-functions and easy to operate. FU50 consists of 4 fuming modes: 502, independent humidification, independent dyeing, and independent heating. It extends the range of fuming. In the design, FU50 has a built-in battery which frees the operator from any restriction coming from the external battery and wire. Higher power enables single fuming of 15 minutes only. Full power operation lasts 2.5 hours for 10 times of fuming. Furthermore, it supports charging status operation. The operation to replace plastic umbrella cover is simple. Insert, open, rotate and lock. Now it's ready. Sealing design of liquid chamber, reusable fuming head and disposable 502 package dropper makes filling and operation process more convenient and clean. The controller is equipped with a Coulomb indicator for visual display of battery level and operation mode. Multi-fuming mode facilitates difficult fingerprint capture and extraction in crime scene investigation. Lightweight and integrated structure increase convenience of operation, ensuring investigators concentrate on crime investigation itself. Please read the instruction carefully before operation. For more information, please contact CamSonar.